If you own a photography business, there's a lot of things to keep track of. I've made this spreadsheet that I think really is going to help you to stay organized, to manage your clients, your appointments. There's a price list, a photo shoot planner, a bookkeeping dashboard so that you can track your income and expenses for the year. You can track your equipment, plan invoices, plan marketing, track your mileage, and there's even an employee schedule. So I'm going to show you how this sheet works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. It's on my website at savvyandthriving.com, and here's how it works. So at the very beginning, we have a client tracker. So this is going to act as a CRM. If you have potential clients, this is a perfect way to track clients before they have decided to purchase. So you can put their name, their phone number, their address, their email, and then when did you contact them first, or did they contact you first? So let's just say they contact you on the 1st, and then you've last reached out to them on the 6th. Now we can choose from the drop-down box if this is a low priority client or a high priority client. What source did they find you? Did they find you through, email, through your ads, through your website, or networking? And what's the status? Have you contacted them? Are you waiting a response from them? Have they set up an appointment with you? And any to-dos, what else needs to be done next? Here is where we're going to put clients once they've decided to go ahead and book a session with you. So again, we'll put their name, their address, their email, phone, any additional contact number. And then here is the status. Is it pending? Have they reserved? Have they paid and signed? Is it confirmed, canceled, or complete? And if you have packages, you can put the package name or what did they buy from you. So we can put, standard package. What's the price? How many hours is this going to be? And then what's the location of the event? Are you meeting at a park? Are you meeting at your studio? And when is the event date? So say it's going to be on the 10th, start at 10, end at, 3 p.m. Have they signed forms? Is there a deposit? What's the date the deposit is due? And then how much have they paid you? So if they've paid you $350, this here will tell you if they owe you anything. We also have a payment due date. And then this is a great place for reminders. First reminder sent, 2 week out, 1 week out, the day before, and then a post appointment email sent. Have you sent proofs? Final email. Have you requested and received feedback? Any of these, if you don't like it, so if you want to just change this to, text, day before, sent, whatever you want to change it to, you can do that, and any notes about the client. So this right here is super handy. This will also help you to track how much you have received total and how many sessions have been completed. We have an easy to use price list. So this is really handy to print, edit, or send to clients. So this is going to be the standard package. And then you've got, 1 hour session with, 20 photos. And then the price, whatever your price is, you can change this as well. If you wanted to change the colors, you can always highlight this, go to the fill color button, and then change it to whatever your colors are. We've got a photo shoot planner. So again, this is, for an upcoming event. You can put the name of the client, the location of the event, the type of portraits it will be. If there's a theme, a style, a shot list, you can put your equipment that you're going to bring, any outfits they need to bring, and then a start and end time, a backup location, and then you can write down this is what the client is going to receive at the end, the due date, and any notes. This is your bookkeeping dashboard. This will help you to track your income and expenses, any tax paid, and your net profit for the year. This will show you each item for the month, and then your total annual income, expenses, tax paid, and your net profit. These charts will show you your income by month and your expenses by month. And then again, your total income and expenses here. All of this is on a formula. So the only thing that you could possibly change on this sheet would be the year. So if you needed to go and this is a different year, you would just come up to the formula box, highlight the year, and hit enter, and it will change everything all the way down. So this sheet is your income and expense tracker. Everything you put in here will go into the bookkeeping dashboard for you. So we'll start with an example. We'll put in the date. You can choose if this was an income or an expense. We can put in photoshoot. And you can say, I made $350 today. Say you spent $10 in expenses and $5 in tax. So it will show you your net profit. This will also give you your totals at the top for your income, your expenses, your tax, and your net profit for everything. You can put any notes as needed as well. This is really handy to give to your tax accountant if needed. This is a great place to put a list of equipment that you have. This is great for an inventory tracker. This is great for insurance purposes as well. So you can put, the product that you have, the purchase date that you had, the make, the model, the serial number, and then the cost. If there's a current replacement cost, a lot of times things are going to be more expensive. So let's say, it's going to be $1,500 today. Where is the product? So this is in my office. And if you have a scanned receipt folder, so that would be a great place to keep records of your receipts and any notes. This is a printable and editable invoice template. So you can start from scratch if you wanted to and put the invoice number, the date, your name of the client, the address, email, and phone. And then, you can put down the item that they had. So say, this is going to be a photo shoot, and then this is going to be the standard package for 1 hour, the quantity of one, the price $350, and then it will put in your tax. And if you have any fees, you can put that in as well. And then grand total. You can also import in your logo here as well, and you can print that out. This is a marketing tracker. This is really helpful to keep track of any ad spend that you have. So we can just put in the campaign name, the date that you started, and the date that it ended, and then the platform. How much did you spend on the campaign? How many items that you advertised? How many impressions did it get? How many clicks did it get? And then how many conversions? So how many sales did you get? And then how much money did you make? And then it will show you your cents per click, your click-through rate, your conversion rate, your return on investment, and return on ad spend. The higher the numbers over here from L to P, the better your campaign did. You can say if the status is active or complete, and then any notes about it as well. You can also track your total spent and total revenue for your ads to see what's working. This is your mileage tracker. This is really helpful as well. So we can put in, the date, the description. So we're going to do a photo shoot. You've driven from home to the park, your odometer reading at the beginning, and then the odometer reading at the end. It will calculate the total miles that you drove. I think the total reimbursement right now for mileage is 70 cents a mile, but you can check that. And then it will calculate your total mileage cost. You can put in if you paid any parking fees or toll fees, and then how much the total claim was for this trip. And then if you paid for gas at all. So this will calculate the amount that you paid for gas, the total mileage cost, the grand total claim, including parking and toll fees, total miles driven, and total trips taken. This is a great spreadsheet to use to manage multiple staff members if you have a larger company. So you can put in the name of your staff member, the package that they paid for or what's going to be happening there, the location, the date of the event, the start time of the event, and then the end time. And that way you know who's going where. This is also printable as well. So this sheet is super handy to manage your photography business. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this sheet is available at savvyandthriving.com, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.